Hey, it's Beatle J, and I hope you're having a Beatle day. And look what we got here. Let It Be Naked. Uh, Very, very rare, and this is one of the albums in my collection that I am extremely pleased to have. Basically, I got this in a record shop last year, and I guess it was old stock because the guy said he never seen them. And tracks on the record include Get Back, Dig a Pony, For You Blue, The Long and Winding Road, Two of Us, I Got a Feeling, One After 909, Don't Let Me Down, I Me Me Mine, or just I Me Mine, Cross the Universe, and Let It Be. That's on a 12-inch. And then also included in this package is a 7-inch disc, and it's called Fly in the Wall. And it's a unique insight in the Beatles at work in rehearsal in the studio during January 1969. Also included in this Let It Be Naked album is a photo book. Fantastic. Anyways, peace out. Cheers from Canada. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let It Be Naked was released in 2003 as an alternative mix of the Beatles' 1970 studio album Let It Be. Paul McCartney felt the producer Phil Spector did not capture the group's back to the roots intentions for the original Let It Be album, and so initiated the Naked project. Naked is mostly new mixes of Let It Be tracks, removing the majority of Spector's orchestration and studio chatter. Dig It and Maggie May are left out and replaced with Don't Let Me Down and Get Back, which had been released as a single. The album is presented in a form which Paul McCartney considered close to the original artistic vision and the rock and roll sound of the early Beatle years, rather than studio tricks and overdubs. McCartney had not cared for the wall of sound production on the Let It Be album, and in particular did not like what had been done with The Long and Winding Road. Before his death, George Harrison gave his blessing for the Naked project. John Lennon's view on the project might have been different, since he had appreciated Spector's work and said that Spector had made something out of a load of badly recorded shit. In January 1969, the Beatles were rehearsing for their first live concert in years. It was filmed for a TV special and album. The original title for the project was Get Back. By the time the sessions had ended, the Beatles had little tolerance for each other, and the project was shelved. After more than a year and a half, the project was only two unfinished versions of an album, which had been compiled by engineer Glenn Johns. Phil Spector was brought in by the Beatles manager Alan Klein to complete Let It Be. The original album version of Let It Be would be released on May 8, 1970, a month after the Beatles' breakup.